Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe, you have engine light on and any of the following codes such as code P0105, 106, 107, 108 or 109. If you have any of these 5 codes, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it guys. It could be multiple things, but we'll explain what it is most likely. Before we start, okay, you don't need to guys remove your engine. We have the engine out because we'll be making a bunch of videos how to fix things and show you with a great detail being out of the vehicle. We'll make so many videos guys that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. So let's explain how to fix any of these codes today. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this right here, the 2.4 GDI, that is guys out of a 2013 Hyundai. Now many of you guys constantly ask us in the comment section below which computer we use for diagnostics, so we decided to share the information with you. We'll put a link to this computer in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get it from or to find out what it supports, but it works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing tool guys that we use daily here at the shop. Hyundai is right here. So looking at it guys, okay, let's explain what most likely causes these codes. So you need to find the intake side of the engine, which is the front side of the engine. Once you open the hood, follow your intake hose, you're coming this way, okay, and you're going to come to the throttle body. Then you have the intake manifold. You have one sensor on the intake manifold that detects the pressure in the intake manifold, and it's known as MAP sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor. Now here you're very close to the radiator fan, and if that activates it can cut your fingers off, so you guys need to disconnect the car battery, okay, to avoid getting your fingers cut off. And on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you reconnect and disconnect first, because if you do it the wrong way you can cause damage to the engine computer, electrical components, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first if you don't know, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you do that, you come to that sensor right here guys, and you need to remove the bolt. Okay, that's the sensor most likely causing your problem. There are a few possibilities guys. It could be a bad sensor, a sensor that has a bad gasket, or a bad wiring harness, broken wire, or unplugged wire guys. Any of these things can cause these codes. So what I recommend to do, okay, first inspect the wire, make sure it's not in the fan, it's not cut, it's not unplugged, make sure it's pushed all the way in, and make sure the wiring harness is in good condition. Number 2, remove it guys and inspect it to make sure that it doesn't have corrosion, water, anything like that. Okay, and number 3, what most likely is, it's a bad sensor. They do go bad sometimes, and it's very likely, okay, very likely that you may even have a leaking gasket that can cause trouble sometimes as well. But if you want to see guys, we'll be making a video soon, okay, how to actually test the MAP sensor on a Hyundai. So a video will be coming on our channel very soon. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having any of these codes. Check the wiring harness, make sure it's plugged in, you don't have a broken wire, and most likely you have a bad sensor. Thank you for watching and see you next time.